How about some chicken Parmesan burgers? What do you think? So you've seen me make my meatloaves, my turkey meatloaves, my patties, my hamburgers, my turkey burgers, the ones with spinach that I do with the oats. So today, as usual, I'm making it up as I go. I have ground chicken with no antibiotics. These packets of 1 pound of chicken are where it's at. I made my chicken piccata meatballs a few weeks ago, so I'm inspired to try something different today. Into my mixing bowl is the 1 pound of chicken. This now is my garbage bowl. So if you follow along with me, you know that my recipe, I'm sorry I rubbed my nose, my recipe is the same. It is 1 tablespoon of minced onion, dried minced onion. This is for my turkey burger recipe, I should say. So I do a tablespoon of that, and I stop halfway through for you know who, because he doesn't like everything that goes in the original turkey burger recipe. I'm sorry, my water's boiling, and when that happens, I'm going to make a cup of tea. Okay, here's where I made a mistake once. It's 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon, of sea salt. I made my turkey burgers with a tablespoon for 1 pound, and for me, that was just too salty. So 1 teaspoon, and this is sea salt from Sam's Club. It's delicious. I don't know what the reasoning is, but that's the recipe. So I didn't make it up, but I've been tweaking it to make it for every single thing I like. 1 egg. So we're almost there for Dave. Let me get a fork. I want to just smush that egg up a little. And then into this goes 1/4 cup, which is what I have here, of oats. So that's your binder instead of breadcrumbs. And it's 1/4 cup of old-fashioned organic oats. And then I'm going to chop in these 3 scallions after I make my mess go away. So, you guys, this recipe, like this, would be fine if you have a picky eater in your house or children that don't eat a lot of things. It's healthy. So I thought, why can't I do this with chicken? But I'm going to make it Lori's every day. The fun of cooking to me is to look at a recipe and say, what can I do to it? I know that's weird, right? Some people just say, hey, I love this recipe. And I do love this turkey burger recipe. I've said it before. This is going to be it for Dave. So I'm going to mix this up, take half out. And then I'm going to make the other half chicken Parmesan burgers. I got a plan. I really do have a plan. So if you were making the turkey burger recipe that instant lost, Brittany Williams, it's this plus spinach. So that's it. That's what her turkey burger recipe is. But this time I'm using ground chicken. I'm trying to make it go. We're going to make 4 patties. So each patty would be 4 ounces. That's kind of how I roll with most everything. So I'm going to try to flatten it, take half of it out into this bowl over here, which that you can't even see. So just a sec. This bowl. So half of it I'm going to make a chicken patty or 2 for Dave. Now, while I'm over here, I'm just going to dump my water in. I think it's ready. Let me see. Yep. Sorry. I meant to do this before I started videos. So I sip this all day. Hot tea. I'm going to let that go. Now, back to the patties. Now I'm going to make them the way I want them. So into this is going to go, yep, Parmesan cheese. So it's kind of going to be like my meatballs are. I put Parmesan cheese, but not this kind. I usually use the grated. This is going to have a 1/4 cup of this shredded parm. And then over here I have my homemade tomato sauce, but I'm going to put in, well, I might as well use the 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. Into my meatball or into my burger mixture. Now that's got to go somewhere. This is going to be what tops my burger later. The other 1/4 cup. So basically, oh, that's my bread machine going with a loaf of bread. So far, we're still not done. So remember I said Brittany Williams' recipe has spinach. I'm going to put spinach in my chicken parm burger. You don't have to, but I love spinach, and I told you I sneak in my vegetables every way I can. So that's roughly, well, we'll find out when I chop it up. Can you see anything? Probably not. You guys, doing a video is so hard. I say this every time, but when I wake up in the morning and I see 10, 15 messages on each platform. Like sometimes I don't see any comments. Nobody comments. If you comment and like and share my videos, more people see them. And not that if you want to see me, if you comment, like, and share, I will pop up on your page more often. Does that make sense? I've learned that from other people I watch. They keep telling you, comment, share, like my videos. Now I see why, because I have people saying you didn't post a video when I did. So that's roughly a half a cup of chopped spinach going in. And then what I'm going to do with my patties is I'm going to make probably 3 patties, because that's usually what happens after I add the spinach in. It makes bigger. If I do 2, it's going to be a lot. Anyway, I'm going to top them with more sauce and cheese, and I'm going to fry them up, then top them with sauce and cheese and bake them in the oven. What do you think? That's where I'm at now. So I'll be back. So while my burgers are frying in a pan, my side for my burger is going to be a sautéed zucchini. Very simply done. I slice it thin, and then what I'm going to do, I'm lying to you, I'm going to dice it. It works out better because I got to dice it up to eat it, so I'm going to dice it. I'm going to dice it, top it with salt, pepper. It's 1 tablespoon of olive oil is heating up in my pan over there. I'm going to saute it up with salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, and not too much. And then I'll top it with a little bit of that Parmesan cheese. And that's going to be my side for my chicken. I said turkey, didn't I? Chicken Parmesan burgers are going to have Parmesan zucchini on the side. So I'm just, while they're sauteing, I thought I'd hop on and show you what I'm doing for my side for this, to keep it low carb, high protein. The only carb in the whole thing is the 1/4 cup of oats that went in the 1 pound. So my burgers made 3 chicken parm burgers, so roughly 3 ounces they are each of meat. And now I'm going to, I got a lot going on over there. I'm going to saute up this right into this 3rd pan. You can hear it sizzle, which is what I want. And I'm going to put, just like I said, Dave's are here. 2 plain, mine are here. It will take minutes, so it won't take long, I can tell you right now. So some salt, some pepper. Can you see me at all? Garlic powder. And then I promise I'll get you in the food. I'm going to be back. I wanted to get you in the food. So there's my chicken parm burgers. There's Dave's plain burgers. And there's my zucchini. I'm about to pop these chicken parm burgers with a lid on it into the oven, and we'll be back.